Good afternoon, Bastien from BVN Real Estate in San Juan del Sur. We are here in a neighborhood called La Talanguera, and we are like one block or half block from the beach. It's a vacation rental or long-term rentals that I'm presenting today. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, large terrace with sofas and dining table, shower, outside shower with coconut ready to drink. You have some green, some yellow coconut. So sailing fans outside, first the dining tables on the side, with 2 sofas and 2 nice chairs. You have like parking for like 2 or 3 cars easily. The parking is chairs between 2 units. Get inside the property. We have our living room here with our sofa, table, extra seat here and TV. This table could be used also to dine here. You have the bar and the large kitchen furnished with a coffee machine, a French coffee machine also, a toaster oven, electric, a waffle or a panini, and 4 gas stove with oven gas. Large fridge, only 1 door, but 1 freezer and the fridge here. Okay, cabinets. So the washing machine is outside, but he has a washing machine here. You have here on the side the laundry area, so it's the worker room. Go now in our master room, which is a small master room, but ceiling fan, AC and TV. And you have then our bathroom with hot shower electric and our closet, not walk-in but mixed in the bathroom. Come back in the living room. Next side we have our second bedroom. This one has 2 beds, queen bed and single bed. He has also ceiling fans and AC, and the bathroom also with hot water and walk-in closet on the side. Excuse me. What's the best here is the outside terrace. We will go. My colleague is there working, making a phone call with a client that wanted to rent the place, but look, what I like is this. It's our garden. We have a lot of privacy. This is the spot. And our parking lot.